on, Bobby. Yeah, up and up. And down. And up. And up. There you go. And then, if I say limbo, what do you do? Bobby, show the people. When I say limbo, what do we do?
Go get it, Bobby, go get it!
He said, I can do it, yeah. Watch out, watch for your back. You're going to go all the way to the back. Like Matrix, you go, whoa, limbo. You know, limbo normally around, you can make a line, you can go around the stage. That idea. But you can do to the back, whoa. Or you can do around, woo, whatever you would like to do. But, you know, it's really important, Jesse. Important with this is sound effects.
Sound effects.
Exactly. So when I say limbo,
you got that down, Bobby.
Whoa! So let's practice. Limbo. Whoa! There we go. Perfect. So we have arms up.
I got Bobby's
and
back.
Up. Move your leg. And up. And down. Limbo. Whoa! Yes, perfect. Then we're gonna move. Forward, forward, up and out. Forward, forward, up and out. Again. And out, forward, up and out. We're going to shake it. Shake it to your side. Shimmy and shimmy. Shimmy and shimmy. We're going to go down and up. Down and up. Hand forward. Other hand on your back. And you're going to roll and roll. Faster, 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 faster. Alright, so roll so, faster, 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 faster. Yes. From the top, with the hands forward, 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 up and up, forward, forward, up and shake it. Shake it. And say down, 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 and roll. It's not that fast, don't worry. Alright, if you're ready, I say limbo. Yes, we're ready. Let's do this one.
Bobby, you look fantastic. You look fantastic.
Oh man, I gotta crawl.
I love it all. Roll your ass across that stage. Go ahead.
Yeah. If they say OEO, you have your arms up. OEO. And roll and roll and roll. OEO. And roll. Let's do it. Up. Yeah. Up. You ready? Limbo. Forward, up and out, forward. to the back. Massimo. 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 Looking forward.